Hello student, how are you all? All are fine? Okay. You enjoy the Dashara festival? Now we'll see the video. You see the video and do the homework also and classwork means all whatever I teach all or do very well. Okay. Second standard maths. Open your textbook. Topic number 4 addition. Topic number 4 addition. All of you know now how to do the addition. We learned there in first standard addition, but there is only ones number. Ones number means what? See. You added there only one number na, means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, how many is there? 8. That type. Now we learn here 2-digit numbers addition. 2-digit number addition. 2-digit numbers addition. 2-digit numbers addition means what? There comes ones and tens number means, see here one example, 34. Okay, 34 plus 15 means 5. 4 plus 5, 5. 4. How many is there? 9. And 3 plus 1, 4. Understand? That type you do the addition. See here. Here is a 50 rupees note. How to write you 50? How do you write this type? Na? 5, 0. Okay. Plus there 12 rupees. Plus there 12 rupees. Okay. You add there 12 rupees means 5 plus 5 plus 2 means 12 rupees. You add here 12 rupees. Now when you added there, that time you add there first ones number. Where is a ones number? C. Ones number. O means ones number. 0 plus 2, 2. And 5. Then you plus tens number. 5 plus 1, 6. 62. 62. See. Here is 62 rupees 50. Plus 5 plus 5, 10. 50 plus 10, 60. Plus 2, 62 is there. All of you understand how to do? All of you understand now? When you added there any number, that time you start the addition from the ones number. From the ones number. Then tens. Then hundreds. 1,000. 10,000. Okay. You start from the right hand sides. All of you understand? See. 77 plus 12 means here see ones tens. You start from the ones number. Addition start from the ones number. 7 plus 2 9 and 7 plus 1 8. Start from ones, then tens. Okay, all of you understand? Now, you have 2-3 property in a addition. But first see here. This number what you call in addition? First addend. First, addend. You call this number second addend. Second addend. And whatever you got the answer, you call this number sum. Sum. Understand? All of you understand now? How do you do? Now, zero property. Zero property in a addition. Zero property in a addition means what? Any one number add their zero. Any one number add their zero. That time their sum or answer is that number. You got their sum or answer is that number. Yeah, itself number. Okay, all of you understand? Now see, in the word problem, in the addition words problem have in all together total sum. Okay, all of you understand? Yeah, imply addition. These words coming in the words problem, that time you do the addition. All of you understand? Okay, now see here, how do you add their numbers? I show you 2-3 example. See, tens, ones, 43 plus 15, 71 plus 18, 18 plus 11. How do you do the addition? See, when you start the any one numbers addition, any one problem in the addition, that time you start from the ones place. Yeah, you start from the right side. Right hand side. Okay, see here, which number is tens? 4 and 1. And which number have ones place? 3 and 5. Okay, now this is your first addend and this is your second addend. You want their sum. 3 plus 5, 8. Why here 8? You start from the ones side, ones place. First addend have 3 on ones place. Second addend have 5 is on ones place. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. Now see, 14 plus 0. Ones have first addend have 4 and second addend have 0. 4 plus 0, 4. Tens place have 1 and second addend have no number, means you imagine here 0, you imagine here 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Understand how do you do? How do you do? Understand now? Next one. Ones have 1 and ones have 8 in second addend. 1 plus 8, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. Understand all of you? Now, we learn here missing addend. Missing addend. See, missing addend, how do you got? Eleven plus dash dash, sum is there 18. Here, whatever missing addend here, which number is missing addend? See, first addend given, second addend given here? No. They give the sum. You want here second addend. You want here second addend. Okay. See here 18 and 11. 18 and 11. What you do? 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You got here 7 because of 11 plus 7, 18. You count there. Where 18 come, there you stop. You count their numbers, and where 18 coming now, there you stop. 11 is given there. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many numbers? 7. You count there 7 numbers. So you write there 7. You write here 7. Understand? 1 plus 7, 8. And 1 plus 0, 1, 18. All of you understand now how do you do? Next one. 22 plus 26. See here 22 given, first addend given. 26 is a sum. You want here second addend 22. 23, 24, 25, 26. How many numbers come there? 4. How many numbers you count? How many fingers here? 4. Right here 4. Understand how do you do? Okay. All of you understand now how to add it there? Now, open the page number 60. Open the page number 60. Okay. Write missing addend first. Write missing addend. See here 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. Means here 11 and 19 given. 8 you got. Second one example 12 and here 19. You want here second addend. 12. After 12. When the coming 19, which number, how many numbers you move? Count there. How many numbers you move? You count here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many fingers here? 7. Means you want here 7 numbers move. You got their answer. You got their sum. Understand? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, 10 plus 10, 20. here 9 first addend, second addend 20, you got here, sum is 20, you want here second addend. 9 given, 20 is a answer is there. Count there. When come the 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is 10 complete. Then 20 means 11. You write here 11. How many fingers you count? 11. Right there 11. Then 12. Then 13. Understand? You complete their next one's answer. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the sum. Find the sum. Any one number, add their 0, you got their answer, that number. Means 22 plus 0 is equal to 22. Next one what? 34 plus 13. 34 plus 13. This is a ones, this is a tens, this is a ones, this is a tens. Okay, ones, tens. Whatever you do here, ones place value add there, then tens place value. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 47. Understand? All of you understand how to do? See here. First addend given, second addend not given, here given answer. 8 plus dash dash is equal to 0. 9, 10. How many fingers you count? Only 2. Understand? D2F is homework. D2F is homework. See, here X given. First how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 they wrote there. 1, 2, 3. 3 wrote there. Now what you do? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12x. This is answer correct? See. 5 plus 4 means 4 number count. 6, 7, 8, 9. Then plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. What is answer coming? 12. All of you understand now how do you do? Okay. In the home all this complete. Now (4.2) addition of two-digit number without regrouping means what? You separate their tens number and ones number and you add there and you added there. See, 53 plus 14 given here. Okay. Now see here, this is a ones place, this is a tens place. You explain the first addend, then second addend, then sum. Understand? Understand? Okay. See, first one 5. Which place have 5? Tens. Write in with the explanation. Then add 3 ones. means you write here in a expanded notation with a word. 5 tens plus 3 ones. 6 tens. 6 is here? No. Which number is here? 1. 1 tens plus 4 ones. Means ones place number right here 4, then write which place have they? Ones place. Okay. Now 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. How many is there? 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is there? 7. You got here 7 ones. You first add their ones place, then tens place. 5 plus 1, 6. Here write also 6. 67. 67. 6 tens means what? 60. Plus 7 1 means what? 7. 67. 67. Understand? All of you understand? See here. 14 plus 23. How to do? Sorry. See here. Which number first I didn't have? Which number is the tens place? Ones, tens. One number only. And ones place have 4. So write there 4 ones. Second I didn't have. Which number is tens place? 2. Write there 2. And ones have 3. Write there 3. See. You start from the in addition ones place. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 ones. 1 plus 2, 3 tens. Write there on 7 on ones place, 3 on tens place. You got their answer 37. See here, 3 tens means what? 30. 7 means what? 7. 30 plus 7. All of you understand? Okay. Open the page number 69. Add the given numbers by writing them as ones and tens. One has been done. Okay. One sum is they solve here. Now we see B1. Tens place have 3 and 0 is in on ones place. Second add and tens place have 2. Ones place have 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 tens, 5 number writing on tens place, 8 on ones place. And 5 tens means what? 50. 8 ones means what? 8. C1. First I didn't have ones place 6. Second tens have 6 also. Same number as it is. Second I didn't have ones place have 1. And 2 is on tens place. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 ones. Write in sum ones place 7 and tens place 8. 8 tens means what? 80. And 7 ones means what? 7. D. One is your homework. Now, question number 2. Find the sum. First add ones, then add tens. One has been done. They solve their one sum. Now we see second number. 64 plus 22. First you add which place? Ones. Then you add tens place. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Any one number add there 0, answer is that number. You add here first, ones place, 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. E to H is homework. E to H is homework. Now, thank you, and regularly behind the table, in their Dasra, you behind their tables, regularly behind the tables. Okay, thank you.